Want to create once and get paid over and over again? Welcome back to Internet Paydays, the show where we break down real, actionable ways to make money online without needing a huge budget, fancy degree, or technical skills. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the most beginner-friendly and genuinely passive income streams available right now: selling Canva and Notion templates. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to create, how to package it, where to sell it, and how to scale using free AI tools. Why templates sell? Let's talk about why templates are such hot sellers right now. The answer is simple. People love shortcuts, and time is the most valuable currency in today's world. Think about it. A small business owner doesn't want to spend 3 hours designing an Instagram post from scratch when they could buy a ready-made template for $9 and customize it in 5 minutes. A college student cramming for finals doesn't want to build a study tracker in Notion. They want to download one and start using it immediately. Templates save time, reduce overwhelm, and help people look professional without hiring expensive designers or learning complicated software. Here's who's buying templates every single day: entrepreneurs and small business owners who need social media graphics, pitch decks, client proposals, and branded content creators who want consistent, scroll-stopping posts for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube students, and productivity enthusiasts looking for planners, habit trackers, study schedules, and goal-setting dashboards. Coaches, consultants, and freelancers who need lead magnets, ebooks, workbooks, and client onboarding kits. And here's the kicker: these products are infinitely scalable. You create one template, and it can be downloaded 500 times without you doing any extra work. That's the definition of passive income. The template industry is booming, with some creators making thousands per month from just a handful of well-optimized products. What kind of templates to create? So, what should you actually create? Let's break this down into beginner-friendly categories that sell consistently. Canva, template ideas, social media content packs. Think 30 Instagram quote templates, 15 carousel post designs, or 10 TikTok video covers. These are huge sellers because content creators need fresh visuals constantly. Lead magnets and freebies, checklists, cheat sheets, mini guides, and resource lists that businesses use to grow their email lists. Business essentials, invoice templates, contract templates, media kits, pitch decks, client onboarding packets, and brand style guides. Marketing materials, flyers, brochures, business cards, email newsletter headers, and promotional graphics. Notion template ideas, productivity dashboards, all-in-one life planners, weekly/monthly goal trackers, daily routine organizers, or habit-building systems. Business and work tools, content calendars, project management boards, client CRM systems, sales trackers, or business finance dashboards. Student and learning templates, study schedules, class note organizers, assignment trackers, research databases, or exam prep systems. Health and wellness, workout logs, meal planning systems, mental health journals, or symptom trackers. Tools to build your template business. Now let's talk about the tools you'll need. The good news? Most of them are free or extremely affordable. For creating templates, Canva, Free or Pro, $12.99 per month. Canva is your design headquarters. The free version is powerful enough to create professional-looking templates, but Canva Pro unlocks premium features like brand kits, save your colors, fonts, and logos. Background remover tool, access to millions of premium photos, graphics, and fonts. Resize designs instantly for different platforms. Transparent backgrounds. For selling templates, Gumroad. This is the easiest platform for digital products. No monthly fees, no setup costs. Just upload your template, write a description, set your price, and share your link. Gumroad handles payments, file delivery, and even sends email updates to your customers. Payhip. Similar to Gumroad, but with slightly different features. Great for creating product bundles and offering discount codes. Etsy. Etsy has built-in traffic and SEO. Millions of people search for Notion templates or Instagram post templates every month. How to package plus sell your templates. Creating the template is just step one. Packaging and presenting it professionally makes the difference between a product that sits there and one that actually sells. For Canva templates, 1. Create your design in Canva. 2. Share it as a template link. 3. Upload to Gumroad or Etsy. 4. Create a killer preview image. For Notion templates. 1. Build your template in Notion. 2. Duplicate and create a template page. 3. Add it to your product listing. 4. Create a visual preview. Scaling with AI plus content. Once you've made your first few sales, it's time to scale. Here's how to grow without burning out. Use AI to 10 times your productivity. ChatGPT prompts for template creators. Generate 50 Instagram post ideas for a productivity coach. Write a product description for a Notion business dashboard that includes databases for clients, projects, and finances. Create 20 Pinterest pin titles for Canva social media templates. Write a welcome email sequence for customers who buy my planner template. Build bundles and memberships. Bundles. Package related templates together. Ultimate Content Creator Bundle. Social media templates plus content calendar plus planner. Small Business Starter Kit. Invoice templates plus client CRM plus brand kit. Memberships. Offer recurring revenue with monthly template drops. New templates every month for subscribers. Private community access. Exclusive tutorials and training. Collaborate and cross-promote. Partner with other template creators or digital product sellers. Bundle each other's products. Share each other's content. Co-host giveaways. Guest post on each other's platforms. Analyze and double down. After 30 days, look at your data. Which products sold best? Which platforms drove the most traffic? What content got the most engagement? Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about what not to do. Mistake number 1, overcomplicating your first product. Your first template doesn't need to be perfect. Simple, functional templates often outsell complex ones. Launch quickly, get feedback, and improve. Mistake number 2, not showing previews. People won't buy what they can't see. Always include multiple preview images showing exactly what's inside. Mistake number 3, pricing too low. Don't undervalue your work. A well-packaged template can easily sell for $15 to $50. Bundles can go for $50 to $100 plus. Mistake number 4, ignoring SEO. Especially on Etsy and Pinterest, keywords matter. Research what people are searching for and use those exact phrases in your titles and descriptions. All right, let's wrap this up. Selling Canva and Notion templates is one of the most accessible online businesses you can start today. It's low risk, requires minimal investment, and can generate genuine passive income once your products are live. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need a massive following. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start. Before you go, do me a favor. Subscribe to Internet Paydays so you never miss an episode. Hit that notification bell and drop a comment below telling us what kind of template you're going to create. We read every single comment and will reply with feedback and encouragement. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where we're breaking down how to make money with AI-powered content writing. You won't want to miss it. Now go create something amazing